Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. And in this video, I want to show you how to spot trends in your store. So, what I do is on my storefront page, I like to include latest products sold. And this is the quickest way I can spot trends. Now, I was looking for one trend, but I noticed another. So, when I look at my latest products sold, one trend that I do see is that my designs that have maps on them seems to be selling well. So that lets me know that with products, I need to make more products that have pictures of maps on them. And I also spotted a trend recently within the past 7 days of Playdate calling cards. And I also sold another one last night that features an owl. So that let me know that I need to continue creating calling cards. And for this video, I just want to show you my thoughts process behind certain trends. So I'm just going to be talking about the calling cards. So for the calling cards, I noticed them selling over the past couple of days, like I explained earlier. And I did more background research into what time of year that they tend to sell and any patterns that I noticed. So I noticed that last year they started selling around April, and they sold from mainly April to June. So what I theorize is when the weather starts breaking and becoming warmer, maybe people want to play together more. Parents, mothers especially, they may want their children to play together more, so they are more likely to use these play date calling cards because it's basically like a little invitation to say, hey, let's get together for a play date, where the parent can customize it. And I also noticed June is also summer break for many kids. Many kids, they're out of school for the summer. So what I plan on doing this year is, because last year I I didn't notice the trend last year. Because I wasn't doing research as I am now. So what I'm going to do this year so I can capitalize on that trend is I'm going to promote my calling cards more. I'm going to make more calling cards. So I will promote them on social media such as Pinterest because that's my biggest or most successful platform. Pinterest is my most successful platform for promoting. And I also will promote them on Zazzle forums and on my own personal blog. Because the thing that I like about the blog is as I as I'm typing a description and what I want to say to people, I can basically write what I want to say or type what I want to say, and those words will pull people in. When sometimes on other platforms, all you have is a picture that you can promote, but I also like to basically shoot my shot at the customers. So when I'm creating my new products for the play dates, I intend to create more that's centered around the warmer months. Because at first, when I was creating them, I just was throwing different designs out there. But since I noticed that they tend to do well from April to June, and I would like to even stretch that from April to August. So I'm going to focus on things dealing with the warmer months, even holidays like maybe 4th of July, things of that nature. Um, Getting together to go to the beach or to the movies, or just researching what people do during the warmer months, going to the park, things of that nature. So that's all I want to talk about today in terms of trends. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.